Sound does not travel at all in space. NASA reveals creepy sound of a black hole 200 million light-years away located in the Perseus cluster. The abundant gas in this galaxy provides a medium for sound waves to travel. Previously identified sound waves were extracted and made audible for the first time. Astronomers remixed the sound and raised the frequency by 57 and 58 octaves. To make it hearable for humans, the note was increased around 144 quadrillion and 288 quadrillion times. Now listen carefully.